Add washing powder to lime and you're gonna thank me later. I stopped spending money. That's right, guys. With this tip here, I'm sure you can save a lot of your money. So, this is what you're gonna do. First, take the peel of 3 limes and put everything in the blender, okay? Done that, now go ahead and add 4 cups of water. It can be tap water at room temperature, no problem. Put it here. And then just blend everything very well. Once that's done, take a large container or bowl and strain all this mixture, as we're only gonna use the liquid. Now we're gonna need the washing powder. I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of washing powder, and here you can use the brand of your choice. I'm also gonna add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. So let's add it here. Now let's also add salt, alright? Just regular refined salt. Add 1 tablespoon here. We're also gonna add alcohol. I'm using 70%, but you can use whatever you got there. So let's go ahead and add 5 ounces. Alcohol in. And to finish, just add another 4 cups of water, also at room temperature. Now take a 2 liters plastic bottle like this one, which is the exact amount we need for the mixture. Then go ahead and transfer all this mixture to the bottle. And here in the cap of the bottle, you can make a hole to make it easier to use later. And now, if you ask me what did we just do here, this is an excellent all-purpose cleaner. That's right, folks. With this product here, you can clean, for instance, the floor of your house. Because all the ingredients will help to clean the grease, remove stains from the floor, in addition to leaving a very pleasant smell of lime. You can also use it to wash your bathroom, because the baking soda and salt are antibacterial. So it's gonna help to remove bad odors that are impregnated in your bathroom. And that's why this is a great cleaning product. And with this, I'm sure you no longer need to buy expensive products in the stores. You probably already have all the ingredients at home. Then you won't need to buy anything extra, saving a lot of money. Try it at home, because I'm sure you're gonna love the result.